Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix missing App Store on iPhone. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is look for the App Store here. So if you're not seeing it in your home screen, I want you to open the app library and type here App Store. If you're not seeing it here, then this is the possible solution. If you do see it, you can just go ahead and just drag on it and then go ahead and click Add to Home Screen. And yeah, again, since we're not seeing it, what we are going to do is just open our settings. And in our settings, we're going to look for screen time. Here, I want you to scroll down to content and privacy. And you should be able to see here iTunes and App Store purchases. Go ahead and open that one. Installing apps, click that, and then click allow right here. Now, once you've done that one, I want you to go ahead and see your home screen once again, or your app library. Want you to go ahead and type here App Store. You can then go ahead and open it just like so, or you should be able to see it here in the app library as well. So yeah, again, everybody, that's how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.